Hey guys! In this video we are going to see basic functioning layout of PLC systems. For support, please subscribe our channel. Input processing. Input modules process the digital, analog signals received from sensors or switches according to the configured logic in the PLC program. This may involve interpreting the state of switches, on, off, scaling analog values, or performing other necessary calculations. Input modules communicate with the PLC's central processing unit, CPU, or controller through a communication interface, typically using a digital communication protocol such as Profibus, Modbus, Ethernet, IP, etc. Guys, this is for basic understanding for you. We have to see deeper. Output modules generate control signals or commands to actuate output devices such as actuators, motors, solenoid valves, relays, lights, alarms, and other equipment in the external environment. Output modules transmit control signals or commands from the PLC's central processing unit, CPU, to the connected output devices through internal communication channels or field wiring. The communication may utilize digital or analog signals, depending on the type of output device and the module. Output modules execute control logic programmed into the PLC to determine the timing, sequence, and conditions under which output devices should be activated or deactivated. In the open-loop PLC systems, input devices such as sensors, switches, transducers, and other instruments provide data about the process or environment to the PLC. The CPU evaluates the input signals and executes the control algorithm to determine the appropriate output commands. Output modules receive commands from the CPU and generate control signals to actuate output devices such as motors, valves, relays, lights, and other actuators. Open-loop PLC systems are commonly used in applications where precise control of the output is not critical or where the process dynamics are well understood and predictable. Examples include simple on-off control, sequential control, batch processes, and other applications where feedback control is not required or practical. The basic structure of PLC systems. The inputs are sending to PLC, and the PLC will generate the output according to the uploaded programs. If you have any doubts, please put the comment.